2019 Toyota Avalon sedan and its sequential turn signals will debut in Detroit. The 2019 Toyota Avalon will debut at the Detroit Auto Show later this month. But until then, the automaker continues to tease the fifth-generation large sedan with a look at its new sequential turn signals. Toyota posted a short video to its Twitter page today showing the car's new rear lighting. The tail lights clearly get a more interesting shape, and the new turn signals add visual interest. It's one hint that the Avalon is moving in a more stylish, modern direction. Sequential turn signals can be found on models ranging from the Audi A4 to the Ford Mustang, so it doesn't necessarily indicate the Avalon will move in a more upscale direction. Still, we expect the new model will feature an available dual-panel moonroof and head-up display. Last month, Toyota showed off part of the model's front face, including the headlights that feature unusual light graphics. It also appears the new Avalon has a clamshell hood since we can't see any visible cut lines. Toyota hasn't announced powertrain details, but it's likely the Avalon 2017 model shown above will pack a V6 engine making over 300 HP. A hybrid model should be the more efficient option and produce in excess of 200 HP.